This is our Mitchell Trestle Table in cherry. As for all our tables, the boards are selected for their individual character, matched for their figure and composition as a whole, seamlessly joined, and worked flat, appearing to almost float over the base. This top is thick, stiff, but we've relieved the edge to lighten the table visually. But your hands and your intuition say solid wood, light to your eyes, heavy to your hands. This is a rigid structural base, meeting the requirements of engineering without being ungainly or in the way. The uprights are tenoned through the foot and the top rail. The locking rail is tenoned all the way through the center upright, revealing the strength and the craftsmanship required in that joinery. Using the elements of sculpture, we create movement in this rigid structural base. It's characteristic of our furniture. It's rigid, functional sculpture with refined lines and contoured surfaces, contoured polished surfaces. For example, this foot, where it springs from the floor in a compound curve, flows to a flat to fit the uprights. This table is 7 feet long, providing room for 2 chairs on each side between the trestles and room at each end. We can build this table longer, making room for 3 chairs on each side, or 4, but not shorter. For space at the end is critical. We provide clearance for your knees and for your toes. This is a cherry top. We also build this table in walnut and maple or other woods as a custom piece. The top can be sanded, flawlessly smooth as this one is, or hand planed, leaving the tool mark showing the handwork involved and creating a more forgiving surface for hard use. This is an oil finish. Most of the tables we build have a varnish finish for more water protection. We have samples we send of the different woods, walnut, maple, cherry, and these samples also show the sanded finish on one side, hand planed on the other, varnished on one side, oil finished on the other. I think you can see that this table is a focal point, centerpiece of a room, and an heirloom in waiting.